These guys are the most fascinating ones in the known universe and the least understood at the same time. And yeah, they aren't holes actually. They are spheres, but due to their enormous gravity and mass, they form a dark region around them with an invisible boundary called event horizon, which makes them resemble, as their name suggests, a hole. But we can only assume what lies beyond the event horizons until we find another type of radiation which can carry informations like photons and can even escape a black hole, which could be undiscovered yet, but that could be a topic for another video. By the way, let's take a brief view on the existing black hole facts. They have strong gravity that even light cannot escape when it reaches its event horizon. Event horizon is basically an invisible boundary between the universe and the never known internal area of the black hole. Whatever happens inside the event horizon stays inside the event horizon forever, because no light can manage to escape it. It is believed that the whole mass of the black hole is contained at a single one-dimensional point where all the laws of physics break. At this point, you may be thinking, what's wrong with this theory? Just be with me. Here's the problem. Universe never allows something to break its law, not even black holes. Everything existing in this universe strictly follows its rules. But if I tell you, whatever we think black holes are, don't exist, but are objects with similar properties of black holes. I'm not saying this, but an Indian scientist, Dr. Abhas Mitra, believes there are no such things like true black holes in the universe, and many scientists from other countries agrees. Things which we think are black holes are actually eternally collapsing objects, means echoes. Dr. Abhas Mitra gave his theory back in 1998. That year, he proposed his alternative theory of black hole. His research paper was published in 2000 by Foundation of Physics, in which he explained the object as massive and millions of times hotter than the hottest star in the universe, which have immense gravity that even light can't escape it. Instead, it gets sucked in. This echo do have little radiation coming out of it, because this object have a strong magnetic field in Mitra's model. Therefore, Darryl, Leiter and Stanley Robertson referred this object as MECO, which stands for Magnetospheric Eternally Collapsing Object, in their theory. They published their theory after some years of Dr. Mitra. These all scientists are referring this object as echo or MECO because this object collapses on its own for an infinite amount of time, for eternals, but never gains the state of a true black hole. These are also called quasi-black holes because they are like black holes but aren't true black holes. Let's briefly know about these echoes or MECOs. These objects have immense gravity, but they do emit some radiation. Means photons can be emitted, but more likely 1 in a trillion. Therefore, these objects are totally dark and invisible. But the difference is they don't have singularity and event horizon. All this in detailed way was proved by Professor Mitra in his research paper. Its observational evidence caught the eyes of foreign scientists when quasar Q0957 discovered, which was 9 billion light years from the Earth. If you don't know, then quasars are the most luminous things in the universe. When black hole consumes something, their whole mass starts to orbit the black hole before falling in it. This creates immense friction and heat, and the quasar outshines the whole galaxy. This quasar Q0957 was thought to be powered by a black hole, but then they detected that the thing which was powering the quasar have a strong magnetic field which a black hole don't have. This was fulfilling all the criteria of Dr. Mitra's model of MECO. This was strong evidence of MECO, but it is very sad that Indian media never advertised his research. Instead, after 6 years of Dr. Mitra, when Stephen Hawking proposed there are no black holes, and with the whole world, Indian media advertised it. Well, that's not fair. In 2014, an Australian radio channel made an interview with Dr. Mitra in which he said even Indians don't support their Indian scientists, sadly. I personally believe there are two types of people. One, who believe whatever the given scientific theory says, and another who questions it and finds how much truth it contains. So in conclusion, what we believe a black hole is may not exist. Instead, it's more likely to be an echo or MECO. Hey guys, do subscribe this channel as I'm gonna add more videos like this. And do comment your suggestions down below.